Have you ever been bothered by your child's lack of motivation to learn? Can learning motivation really change a child's life? Today, we would like to introduce you to our Brainwave technology that measures your child's personality and learning motivation to improve the child's learning efficiency. Alchemy Technology has been doing Brainwave BCI research. We help children increase their attention by analyzing our collected brain data to determine their suitable learning styles. With a collection of feedback devices and mental exercises, including color-changing LED lights that reflect concentration and a toy car that runs upon heightened focus, or use of a brainwave-enabled popcorn machine and a robotic arm, our products let children practice attention and focus through entertaining brain-computer interaction. Alchemy Technology also conducts scientific research and develops protocols and algorithms with Taiwan's educational authorities and universities. Every year, we publish journal papers and apply for patents to protect our intellectual property. From our years of experience, we found that a child's success is not only predicated upon the child's concentration level, but also the child's emotional intelligence and motivation for learning. After years of R&D on brainwave personality detection technology, we are now able to use brainwave pattern recognition to calculate the MBTI personality of a sensor band wearer in 90 seconds. Our technology initially only sorted personality into 4 types, but after accumulating over 200,000 data points, we are now able to map captured data to 16 MBTI personality types. Jung said that until you make the unconscious conscious, it will direct your life and you will call it fate. Under the influence of collective unconsciousness, each child automatically trends towards some personalities and habits, which more or less affect their learning effectiveness. As MBTI tests have been applied upon more than 50 million people in the world, we can project the direction of children's learning behavior from these personality types. Sometimes children are forced to study. However, it is often better to directly find out their motivation for learning. We need to ask whether they prefer single or multiple person group learning, whether they like or hate competitive environments, and whether they need to respect the teacher before learning. These seemingly innocuous questions often determine whether they study hard. After distilling out the real problems, we can share the data with parents and children to drastically improve parent-child relationship on the issue of learning. Standard government-mandated education in Asia is very restrictive. With our methodology, we have quickly eased the tense relationship between mothers and children, and 85% of our children's schoolwork has improved, and they are more efficient at learning. Many poor families have parents who are not well educated and don't know how to educate their children. But under the guidance of our system, they have found a way to let their children learn better. Education is a major force to change the destiny of children and the destiny of families in a region of poverty. To date, our company has achieved replicable, excellent results. Taiwan's Ministry of Education has applied this technology on several sites, and charity foundations in China have begun using this methodology for remote mountain village children. In China, the company has donated much equipment to left-behind children in the mountains of China to improving their learning motives. This system has been tried out in hundreds of schools, and tens of thousands of children have improved parent-children relationship and learning effectiveness under the guidance of volunteer mothers. The company's vision is that this system will enhance children's attitudes towards learning and education, accelerate learning efficiency, and greatly improve the parent-child relationship. We hope to serve as a model for improving the future education of the world's children.